Welcome back to another season of Josiah Darkest Secret, directed by Epic Boss, starring sister Petra's Josiah, Epic Boss's Jeremiah.
Fool a girl, Josiah take me for you know. Me go sure when man can do today, you know.
Jeremiah!
Yo, me need no talking there, you know.
Come here, boy. Come here.
What happened?
Don't raise your voice on me. Tell me something. Where are you going?
Take your hand out of my face. Take your hand out of my face.
Lord, look up why. It's me you pushing me hand out of your face. Is you have me or is me have you? Huh? Where are you going? I see you
oh, my father like tell me say must go up there and defend for me, you know.
Defend
my youth and me go defend that, you know.
Which youth is yours? Huh?
Now youth are Josiah God.
Okay, so
my father don't tell me a thing already, you know.
Oh, so I want you to go up there, you see, and put yourself in trouble. And let the police them call me, see if I don't tell them to lock your ass up and throw away the key.
My father will bail me, you know.
Your father will bail you. I never know that your father is a bad man. I never know. Okay, she. Go on, go put yourself in trouble.
Man a fall.
Watch you.
Don't mind no you to talk to me, you know.
Lord have mercy.
You know, rate me, you know. Long time you know, rate me, you know. I'm just like that, you know.
So what, I must put up with foolishness? I should put up with...
no talking mood, you
One
know.
bad man, okay. Me never know see your father that is a whole man is bad too. That him send your body friend pick me. What a worthless old man. Huh? He should be setting example and him tell you got the friend baby. I want the man bust your ass up there and send you back down. You're too feisty.
All woman there, she didn't even know who she a play with, you know. She didn't even know who she a play with, you know. Come point finger in a people's face, you know. You know that she don't like me, you know. For a long time, you know that she don't like me. And my father alone stand up with me, you know. I true she didn't even know, you know. I can see me so that on a man now, you know. I like how I'm standing up to responsibility. I would do the same thing. My wife, you imagine we got a ton grandparents. You understand? You see my son?
If I see our son.
Yes, you see my son Jeremiah? I'll send him up there to that girl, you know. You understand?
You are not even...
Imagine, my wife, imagine. You can't believe that Josiah giving a next man our son baby? That can never right. I tell our son to go up there and defend it.
Oh my God. Like seriously?
Yes, that girl is very out of order.
Look at your ugly face. Huh?
What do you mean, my wife?
You are an old man, right? And your son go in somebody else's life and get the girl pregnant? And
what are you talking about? Getting over life. My son there with the girl. The man was in prison.
My God.
Huh?
We live in the same district, right?
What the
and you know the story. So why did he... Listen, I don't want to lose my temper here.
I don't want to talk to your wife.
Disappointed in you.
Disappointed in you.
I'm so disappointed.
That's the right thing.
That's the right thing. That is the right thing.
That's the right thing. I would do that.
Jesus, I can't believe you.
Oh, I have to stand up for your responsibility.
Okay, I'm not saying no, but look here. I told our son that whenever time he go up there, if the police lock him up, none of you see your face?
Police lock him up for what? For your own child?
For my child. Okay.
Police lock him up for what?
Well, you see, as if
in child?
Alright.
I will go up there myself.
I didn't know you
without needing your advice. If my son get in trouble, I will know him. I don't have to go there.
Okay. Alright.
Huh?
So listen, as long as you guys are living here, and I'm here, I don't want to hear not even a little breath about that child. Okay? Because I can't believe that you're
getting me upset. I
don't care if you're upset.
You're getting me upset.
That's normal for us. We never agree on anything. It's
so why you coming here to disturb me this morning?
Did I come here and open my mouth?
Imagine I'm in here feeling good. Like I'm gonna be a grandfather. Are you coming here to spoil my vibes?
Okay. Tell you what.
Yeah?
I will leave you alone.
You don't need to believe me. I will leave you.
My God, I am so disappointed. I am so disappointed. I can't believe this man. Imagine our son going the man's life and he
word to me. But tell me about no damn baby. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this kind of behavior with both of them. A big old man like that, but they encouraging son to put himself in trouble.
Lord God, this a really they get sticky for me, you know. I make it confused, you know. Me don't even know what to do. Lord have mercy. God, me they beg you please. If you help me come out of this, you know, me will serve you. It's a promise. You hear me? I beg me, they beg you. Help me come out of that sticky situation here. Normally me help myself. But this Lord God, he coming like a thunder and fire upon me. Lord God. I want me man down there do something with the breakfast. Me man. I hope you don't care wipe a big cook and give me, you know, me just want the fried flour. I want big mug of tea. You hear what me say?
Yeah, me a come.
I want you could have let me kiss and come with the big color.
Me a come, honey, just be patient, no man.
Lord have mercy, me the top man. Jesus Christ, and the time hot, brother. No, sir. Brother, God, you good to me and all of this, you know, me don't know what make me they do myself, so you know. Boy, if me when we walk late.
Honey, see it here.
Oh, how are you when they do so long with the little bickle? Oh, yeah, you want me say, every day you come here with this big bickle and me no like it. Me dey cut down cause the picnic me no want him get too big enough. Cause you know say me can't go have him. You know that?
Boy, honey.
And me love this a tea.
This a summer ya hot.
Tell me they tell you.
Boy, I tell you, man.
Tea tastes good though. You eat fear again?
Yeah, man, me eat, you know.
You don't want a piece in here?
No, sir.
Okay. If flour tastes good though.
Me put little sugar in it.
Me love when you make him and the picnic lobby. You make him kick up and down.
Boy.
One tear.
I'm tired, man.
This
Nice
because
hot, man.
night to tonight. Tell you should have opened up in one place let the breeze blow in there.
Oh, y'all are sweat.
I'm tired. So I end up
Take
coming
time
home.
and eat, man. Man, you bite it.
I can't even very hungry. That means I say picnic hungry. So what you have to feel it idea?
That's you must lay down.
Let's try for me throat like flour.
Take time, man, honey. Take time, man.
You call the picnic up with me, I feel me I'm high.
Take time.
Thank you.
You see me, I get some rest. Like how you say me not for bother go on.
Me know why you go on the road none time. You understand me?
Just go in my bed, go lay down.
And that you feel do.
You can't go lay down, man. None time.
Me know why you lay down yet, when me done yam. It's why we go lay down, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Drink some ice cream and if your throat they bother you. You want some ice cream?
Yeah, man. I'm drinking some.
You make your picnic alone drop off everything for him don't drop before we drop it. That's all. And then you work for him.
Me don't think you should all have the coffee tea, you know, cause
And that the picnic feel for no tell me nothing. It's strong more.
it's strong,
You
man.
know if you make it, you know. Huh?
Put it on the table.
Come on. Put it up on the table. Start me like it. Boy, life good him.
Life out there for live.
Me I tell you, me glad how you come out of prison, everything alright, you know.
Boy, the whole time in there, you me I think for no be.
You know be think about me, because me when they go on panga, it ain't easy for me still, you know. Because for you want me breadwinner. No?
So glad to me come out, me not tell you like the whole time in there, you know. My mind just dip on you, my mind just dip on you, me want come out. Every time I see time I count down when me come out, I tell you say, it's a joy in my heart, man. If you know say me finally I go be back with you.
Wait a minute.
You know?
I'm if you tell you, mister. Me count down the days until me couldn't sleep, you know. Me couldn't sleep, you know me glad say. As you come out, you breathe me.
Oh God.
And if I did picnic glad, me saying glad
You can't wait for me.
what you know top everything.
You can't wait for me to you say man.
And him can't wait for me to go see and cut 2 feet.
I want them to favor me.
Then you know what favor you want to favor now, you ain't pack.
But if me favor your mother too.
You know what I favor me if he favor you.
Look how you're handsome.
Yo, Sean! Sean! Josiah! Yeah!
One man, you don't see no man out there. How would you call me sir? That no look. That no look.
Kind of pick up the voice, you know.
Which voice?
It sound like a thieving boy.
Oh, the thieving boy! That chat room, you make it. Every minute I want the thieving boy. Who that? Lord God, who?
I don't know.
Me not think I think. Where they go? See you where they?
Me a go out there, honey.
You don't let me go out there, go check out. What do you mean by you go out there?
Honey, I'm me the man and I make me go out there to see who.
Why you raise your voice for me? For me say sit down. Make me
It sound like Pastor Rose, but it
I must pass the road. Hello.
have a son of the boy too.
Worry of them,
And
man.
Jeremiah out there, man.
No, me say.
Josiah, on to them people, man. Yo, Shad. Josiah. Honey,
Sit down.
man.
Me say.
Honey, sit down, man.
Sit down and kill me. Me say wait and make me go see because me tell you say me no want you hackle up yourself. Me go check. I must quit. Me not remember say me want tell. Me didn't tell you.
Wow, you know.
Me tell Pastor Rose if he come up here come pray for me. So I go to Pastor Rose. Me go look for you.
That's good, honey, man.
So me dey go talk to him and
Tell
come
me inside, me need little prayer too.
No, he not go pray for you today. One next day we come pray for you.
That not sound right, honey.
What do you mean?
That not sound
Me
right.
tell him to come pray for me at the picnic.
But like going there, make him come inside and pray for you two away.
Well, let me talk to him and see if he will come. But listen to me, you don't need to stress out yourself. So relax yourself now, man. You're just in a heat, sir.
Honey, me could go look for Pastor.
Sit down, your son. Don't let me get dirty, pa. You see how me and you they got on good from morning. You see?
Honey, but Pastor was coming.
I am going to talk to Pastor.
Where come
Shut up
Pastor
your
was?
mouth and you ain't come to shut up your mouth, man. Sit down here, son, man, and sit.
May I help you?
Sit down, here. Me dey come Pastor Rose, help me up now and then you sit down and wait till me come. Me no like how you bum me now. Thank you. Sit down back. You sit down back now. Sit down.
Me need little prayer too, you know.
Me say me dey go talk to him and come back. Alright? But you the people out there for relax yourself. See time hot, dry off your face. Time hot. Wait till me come, yeah?
Alright,
Give me a kiss. Me love you. Yeah? Me soon come.
Tell him say me inside.
You know, yeah, me say me we tell him relax yourself now, bossy.
Alright, honey. Boy. Love me little woman, you see, man. I can't wait for my baby born. Me I tell you. God, thank you, Father God, for make it out of prison alive.
Pastor Rose, you there?
What Pastor Rose? What kind of Pastor Rose you talk about?
Where you come on me yard for, boy?
Where Sean them? I want to
What
talk
you
to
mean
him.
for where Sean there? Where you come on me yard for?
What you mean? I want to tell him what go on.
Tell Sean-
Yo, me done with this right now.
Done with what?
Me I make him know everything
You
today.
can't do that. You can't do
What you mean?
Yo, shut up your mouth in me yard. What
Yo, Sean!
Miss Peter, tap in a bit of box in your face, boy. Shut up your mouth and take time. What the hell you come on me yard for?
What you mean?
Come out of me. Come out of me yard before I tear you up. Where you come here for?
Yo, Sean!
Yeah, Miss Peter, me will lick in your face in a boy.
Yo, take time.
Shut
you
up
know.
your mouth in me yard. Yeah, me say. All of what they got on you, they feel damn baby. What the behind you, they carry them whole problem
Yo,
upon
my
me, boy.
father tell me
Come
some.
here, man.
Listen
Come
now.
here. Listen to me.
My
What your
father tell me say, I must come up here to come make
Hello.
man know what go on, you know.
Take time talking to me, yard. Take time talking to me. You're a man, yeah? Have you a yard? Shut up your mouth in a man yard. Where you come here, they call chance of a problem you want to put me in my youth? Eh? How will you do this thing you to me for? You want me lose the pitney?
Me tell you, say, come live with me.
Take time talk, me say. You hear me say, take time talk? Take time talk, yeah. Me and you make one deal, man. Lord God Almighty, you want to kill me off, man. You want to kill off your pitney, man. Jesus Christ, man. No, I beg you, man. Please, man. No.
What kind of deal you talking about?
Tell you what. Alright, tell you what. I feel pitney and the two we know, no, sir?
Yeah.
Alright. So, me don't stand part of the time with me, man. And then me tell him, say, me dey go check me mother and spend some time with my mother. And me come spend the rest of the time with you. Because you don't know, so me can't left the man. Me can't left him,
Listen,
so
me
man.
know that you know more your whole heartedly, you know. Sean!
Hey!
Sure.
Long son, no, man.
Chad.
I beg me, they beg you, man. I beg me, they beg you, man. This tone down, no, man. Oh, you put on so much strength by your voice. Please, me, I beg you, no, me, baby. Nobody make me and him in a problem, man. I kill you and kill me before time, man. You don't want to see your
so that means you're not going to live with me then?
Me, they go spend some time with you. And spend little time
Me
with you.
sharing. Me no sharing, babes.
Jesus Christ.
Babes, me no sharing. Me want you for myself.
You never know, say me live with me, man.
You never have no man live with.
Oh, you didn't know which story. Listen to me, man. You know, say you they get me ignorant, man. Oh, you they do the same thing you to me for, man. Eh? You know why you pick me?
What you mean?
You know, then why you not listen to
Alright,
me?
make me make you a deal.
Make me hear what you have to say. Jesus
When time you have him, right?
Uh-huh.
You give him and you can go on with your man. What you say about that? Me alright with that way there.
That no sound right.
Yo, Shad!
Yo, listen. Lord, me tired of grab you up, you know. Grab up now, help you, you know, my man. Tell you, my youth, me no want to do the same thing. Me you live good now, man. For the baby sake, man. I beg me, they beg you, man. Don't kill me off before time. Me sorry, man. Just I beg me, they beg you, know. Make we share, man. Me we spend the time with Sean and then me come down your yard and spend the time with you. Please, no, man. And nobody see Sean and say nothing to him. You can't do that for your woman. Me and your girl, you know, so why you they go along so far? I beg me, they beg you. And if you love me, I love your picking and do this work with me, please.
Three baby still enough.
I that me they say, man. I that me they say, cut down that temper, yeah. Me no like it. Go and put we in a trouble. Me no want that, you know.
Me no care if me get myself in a problem,
tell you what. Me soon come, me they go tell him, say me they go down the road and come back. Yeah. And me and you meet and we chat up. Yeah. What you want to do? You don't want that? We can't turn in at the yard and chat. Make we just wrap up the little chatting now and later we meet down the road. You can't do that.
Alright.
Eh? What you want? You. I mean, I like how you dry here, you know, man. Let me tell you something, man. You can't go along so for me neither, you know. That is bowl down the place.
Yes, me love you, babes.
Oh, you can't show you so, man. Eh? That is pop up the man gate at the man place. I know for your place.
Yo, me come up here, me need even care what I want to do, you know.
Alright, man.
Sure.
Lord God, man. Take off of me and go along. Me soon come meet you, man.
Sure.
Jesus Christ.
Sitting by the river, oh, a sin in nature. Sister Petra alongside Ethic. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting. In a peaceful place, I wanna go to free my mind. Sitting down looking in trees and mountain. How the breeze blow, the river flow like fountain. Birds singing one like they are counting.
Too much cussing from the